Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Want to know if your Android phone's battery is still healthy? If your battery drains quickly, takes longer to charge, or your phone shuts down unexpectedly, it may be time to check your battery's condition. In this video, I will show you three simple ways to check your Android battery health. Here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Step 1. Check battery information in settings. Step 2. Use your phone's built-in diagnostics. Step 3. Install a battery health app. Let's break it down step by step. At step number 1, check battery information in settings. First, open the settings app on your Android phone. Tap battery. Here, you can view your current battery level, battery usage, and which apps are consuming the most power. While many Android phones don't show an actual battery health percentage, this screen can help you identify if your battery is draining faster than expected. Step number 2, use your phone's built-in diagnostics. Some Android phones include built-in diagnostic tools. Open the Settings app and use the search bar to look for battery health, diagnostics, or device care. If your phone supports these features, you'll be able to check your battery's condition or run a battery test. Keep in mind that not every Android device includes this option, so do not worry if you can't find it. Step number 3, install a battery health app. If your phone doesn't provide battery health information, you can download a trusted battery monitoring app from the Google Play Store. These apps can estimate your battery's health, monitor charging cycles, measure battery temperature, and provide charging statistics. Although the results are estimates, they can help you determine whether your battery is still performing well or may need replacement. And for disclaimer section, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and battery information may vary depending on your Android device model, manufacturer, region, and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to check your Android phone's battery health. By checking your battery regularly, you can spot problems early and keep your phone running at its best. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.